If you're looking to import students to LearnWorlds quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. Today, we're walking you through how to do just that. Whether you're switching platforms or just starting out, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. The first thing you need to do is log into your LearnWorlds account. Once you're inside, head to the Users section. This is where all the student management happens. It's a crucial step because without getting to the right area, you won't be able to import your students effectively. Next, you'll want to click on the Import button. This will give you the option to upload a file, usually in CSV format, which contains all your student details. You'll need to make sure your CSV is well organized, with separate columns for student information like email addresses, names, and any other relevant data. If your file is not properly formatted, LearnWorlds won't accept it. So, double-check the file before moving on. The third thing to be aware of is mapping your CSV fields to LearnWorlds fields. This is a step where a lot of users get stuck. You need to match the columns in your CSV to the fields in LearnWorlds, like first name, last name, and email address, so everything aligns. If you're importing custom fields like subscription types or course enrollments, make sure those are also mapped correctly to avoid confusion later. Next thing to keep in mind, LearnWorlds has an option to add students to courses automatically. When you upload your CSV, you can assign these students directly to specific courses. This saves you a lot of time compared to doing it manually for each student later. Just make sure that the courses are already created in LearnWorlds before you upload your students. The fifth thing is confirmation. Once you've uploaded and mapped everything, LearnWorlds will give you a preview of the student data. It's important to review this and ensure everything looks correct. If something's off, you can go back and fix it before finalizing the import. After the import is complete, you can monitor the progress in your Users section. You'll be able to see all your students listed, and you can filter through them to find specific information. It's a good idea to double-check that all students are enrolled correctly in their courses and that their data is accurate. Now, LearnWorlds does its job when it comes to importing students, but it's not always the easiest process. The user interface can be a bit clunky, especially when managing large numbers of students or dealing with errors in your import file. And while the CSV import process works, it isn't as streamlined as some might prefer. Some users have expressed frustration with how LearnWorlds handles custom fields, and there are cases where things don't sync properly between systems. So, if you're looking for a more user-friendly experience or a platform with fewer glitches, you might want to consider some alternatives. Now, here's something you'll want to stick around for. If LearnWorlds isn't quite what you're looking for, we've got a couple of great alternatives that might fit your needs better. These platforms have intuitive interfaces, faster processes for importing students, and in some cases, more advanced automation options. Plus, we've negotiated an exclusive extended free trial for you through the link in the description. You won't find this deal anywhere else. So, before you decide, make sure you check out these options. And if you want to get started with LearnWorlds anyway, we've got the best free trial link for that too, with all the benefits you need to explore the platform fully. But don't forget to check out the other options we've mentioned in this video. They could be better suited to your specific goals. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity. Check the link in the description to get started with the best free trials today.